Kindly like, subscribe and comment to get daily updates. Ravi P. Agrawal Trustee. Ravi Agrawal Trust Promoter pledged 75.00 thousand shares of Ajanta Pharma worth 12.22 crore rupees via creation of pledged. Lalit Chopra Other disposed 1,000 shares of Axis Bank worth 4.49 lakh rupees via market sale. Mehul K. Patel, Promoter and Director, acquired 89.70 lakh shares of BANCO Products, India, worth 76.24 crore rupees via block deal. Overseas Pearl Limited, Promoter Group, disposed 89.70 lakh shares of BANCO Products, India, worth 76.24 crore rupees via block deal. MB Finmart Private, Promoter, disposed 18.53 thousand shares of Dabur India worth 96.41 lakh rupees via a market sale. Geetar Vaswani, Promoter Group, disposed 1.51 thousand shares of Dixon Technologies, India, worth 1.22 crore rupees via market sale. Kailash Chandri Sharma, designated person, disposed 300 shares of Dixon Technologies, India, worth 24.32 lakh rupees via a market sale. Mangi Lal Kedia, designated person, disposed 24 shares of Dixon Technologies, India, worth 1.98 lakh rupees via a market sale. Dr. Vandana Lal, Promoter and Director, disposed 56.52 thousand shares of Dr. Lal PathLabs worth 10.57 crore rupees via a market sale. Central Departmental Stores Private, Promoter Group, acquired 11.68 lakh shares of Galaxy Cloud Kitchens worth 3.50 crore rupees via conversion of security. Future Enterprises, Promoter, acquired 22.47 lakh shares of Galaxy Cloud Kitchens worth 6.74 crore rupees via conversion of security. Vishal BANDLISH, designated person, pledged 9.90 thousand shares of HDFC Life Insurance Company worth 60.09 lakh rupees via creation of pledged. IIFL Investment Advisor and Trustee Services, connected person, disposed 40.00 thousand shares of INDUSIND Bank worth 2.08 crore rupees via a market sale. Rajiv Ranjan, designated person, acquired 4.20 thousand shares of Infosys worth 39.90 lakh rupees via ESOP. Rajiv Ranjan, designated person, disposed 4.20 thousand shares of Infosys worth 39.90 lakh rupees via ESOP. Vineet Terlalka, KMP, disposed 41.05 thousand shares of Indian Energy Exchange worth 81.69 lakh rupees via market sale. Pradeep Singh Johar, Promoter, acquired 2.90 lakh shares of JAMNA Auto Industries worth 97.38 lakh rupees via market purchase. Danta Enterprises Private Limited, Promoter Group, pledged 5.50 lakh shares of JINDAL Steel and Power worth 11.61 crore rupees via creation of pledged. Gagan Infra Energy, Promoter Group, revoked 10.00 lakh shares of JINDAL Steel and Power worth 19.68 crore rupees via pledged released. OPJ Trading Private, Promoter Group, revoked 22.47 lakh shares of JINDAL Steel and Power worth 45.04 crore rupees via pledged released. Opalina Sustainable Services, Promoter Group, revoked 12.00 lakh shares of JINDAL Steel and Power worth 23.62 crore rupees via pledged released. Glebe Trading Private, Promoter Group, pledged 84.00 lakh shares of JSW Energy worth 42.42 crore rupees via creation of pledged. OPJ Trading Private Limited, Promoter Group, revoked 70.00 thousand shares of JSW Holdings worth 13.78 crore rupees via revocation of pledged. JSW Steel Employees Welfare Trust ESOP Plan 2016 AC. Other. Disposed 1.53 lakh shares of JSW Steel worth 3.74 crore rupees via a market sale. JTPM Metal Traders Private. Promoter Group. Acquired 24.10 lakh shares of JSW Steel worth 59.47 crore rupees via market purchase. Dabur. Employ. Disposed 770 shares of Kotak Mahindra Bank worth 10.31 lakh rupees via a market sale. Nikhil Raj Adhyaksha. Employ. Acquired 1.20 thousand shares of Kotak Mahindra Bank worth 11.42 lakh rupees via ESOP. Vivek Prakash. Designated person. Acquired 966 shares of Kotak Mahindra Bank worth 9.23 lakh rupees via ESOP. VRAJVIRDHAN. Promoter and Director. Disposed 100.00 thousand shares of L.G.BALAKRISHNAN and Bros. worth 2.16 crore rupees via market sale. SATYANARAYANA Hava. Promoter and Director. Pledged 15.00 lakh shares of Laurus Labs worth 153.75 crore rupees via creation of pledged. SATYANARAYANA Hava. Promoter and Director. Revoked 20.60 lakh shares of Laurus Labs worth 211.15 crore rupees via pledged released. Manan P. Shah. Promoter Group. Acquired 34.38 thousand shares of MANA INFRACONSTRUCTION worth 6.99 lakh rupees via market purchase. Mafitlal Impex Private. Promoter. Revoked 67.47 thousand shares of Navin Fluorine International worth 13.61 crore rupees via pledged. Released. BEGUMBANUAKBERALI Rayani. Promoter Group. Acquired 59.94 thousand shares of PANAMA PETROCHEM worth 24.92 lakh rupees via market purchase. RBL Krishan Bijli. Promoter Group. Acquired 5.67 thousand shares of PVR worth 44.44 lakh rupees via public right. Gautam Datta. Designated person. Acquired 4.31 thousand shares of PVR worth 33.81 lakh rupees via public right. Salina Bijli. Promoter Group. Acquired 14.71 thousand shares of PVR worth 1.15 crore rupees via public right. Pooja Unique MLLP. Other. Acquired 3.00 lakh shares of Prince Pipes and Fittings worth 4.66 crore rupees via market purchase. Janavi Patel. Promoter and Director. Acquired 500 shares of RADHE Developers India worth 4.89 thousand rupees via market purchase. Andrew Gracias. Designated person. Disposed 50.00 thousand shares of RBL Bank worth 91.55 lakh rupees via a market sale. Satish Kumar Kesha. Promoter. Acquired 2.70 thousand shares of SACHETA Metals worth 41.47 thousand rupees via market purchase. Sameer Bhai Rusiklal Shah. Promoter. Disposed 35.00 thousand shares of Shangar Decor worth 26.93 lakh rupees via a market sale. Apollo International. Promoter. Revoked 22.66 lakh shares of UFO Moviez India worth 17.26 crore rupees via pledged released. Vikram Bajaj Huff. Promoter Group. Disposed 20.00 thousand shares of VMV Holidays worth 6.97 lakh rupees via a market sale. Vinita Bajaj. Promoter Group. Disposed 15.00 thousand shares of VMV Holidays worth 5.18 lakh rupees via a market sale. Biju DILIPCHANDRA Modi. Director. disposed 26.55 thousand shares of Valiant Organics worth 4.38 crore rupees via a market sale.